So welcome guys to new video on plugins for WordPress, right? So in this video we are going to talk about this one, crypto converter widget, right? Go to plugin section, add new, and then search crypto converter widget and you'll get this one, right? Install it. Is a magic and easy to use with beautiful UI widget. Calculate for converting crypto with live price update and flash effect. So activate it, and it is activated here, right? So let's click settings and you can see the preview here, right? Right now it's showing about Bitcoin. 1 Bitcoin goes to US dollar, how much that is showing here, right? This is the live ticker, and you can see here crypto, and you can change it to ETH, right? For example, and fiat, you can change the currency also. For example, OMR, that is currency, or similarly next one, let's search here euro, right? So this one is in euro, you can see in the preview here, right? So right now let's keep it USD, and amount right now it's showing for 1, right? You can see the preview here. When you place 2 here, then it will show the price for 2 amounts, right? 2 Ethereums. So place 1, places 2. Font, you can change the font here, right? Color, you can change the color here, right? So let's change it to green. Okay, in this way you can change the color. Let's keep it black. Border radius, you can change the border radius. Options, shadow, fiat symbol, live price update in real time. Now the shortcode, right, to mention in your page or in your blog post or in your post, right? So you can get the shortcode here, down here, just copy it, right? And now let's go to posts and click add new, and then give the title, right? And paste the shortcode here, right? So publish it, and this published. Now let's view it in new tab. So in this way you get the converter, right? So you can also change it from here. Just click here and mention the crypto Bitcoin and price is updated here in US dollar. You can also change the currency here, and for example let's do ENPR in a click to page, right? Similarly in Japanese yen. Okay, so in this way you can use this plugin to convert the crypto to its price, right? Live update, you can see the change percentage here, you can see the volume here, right? And you can see the source here, right? Okay, stay tuned for other plugin tutorials for your WordPress website. Thank you very much for watching.